everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all what I received in my FabFitFun for winter 2020. So if you are interested in finding out together with me for the first time what I received, then go ahead and keep watching. If you are not already subscribed, before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you will not miss out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I am super excited about today's video because I absolutely love everything about FabFitFun. I love the value, I love the cost. The box is actually $49.99 per season, and the value of the box is always over $200. So literally, it's just a crazy good value, good deal, and I love it very much. I will leave the link down in my description box if you're interested in signing up. The very first time you can get the box for $39.99. Now, I'm super excited, and this is what the box looks like right here. So definitely on theme for winter, and I mean we're in February, right? So it's still technically winter. It's still pretty cold outside. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this with you all and see what we got. Let me get my scissors here and go ahead and break the seal. Okay, finally guys, and this box is kind of heavy, so I'm definitely curious to find out what we received. The first thing that I see is this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. Use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. Okay guys, so the next thing I pull out is by Guardian Angel, and it's a revitalizing eye gel. The key ingredients or hero ingredients are cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. It's to brighten, hydrate, and depuff. I'm excited to add this because I feel like you can never have too many eye patches and eye creams and eye gels, especially when you're doing your self-care Sundays. And I haven't always used eye cream and eye patches, but I definitely have been enjoying incorporating that when I do self-care. So can never have too many, and I am excited. And normally the beauty products and FabFitFun that they include have always worked pretty well for me, so good deal. They're 4 individually wrapped, which I love, and it just kind of looks like this. And then okay, the next thing I see is a Lucky Star blemish patch, and this is by Paradox Los Angeles. And it says, breakouts happen, stars misalign, but fear not, it's not the end. Cute enough to be worn during the day, Lucky Star blemish patches are packed with powerful natural ingredients that team up to suck out impurities, soothe skin, and reduce the potential for scarring, so you can shine like the star you are. These back in here, and let's keep going. So far, the 3 things that we have received all has to do with face. So yeah, they trying to get this face all the way together, and I'm not mad at it. Okay, the next thing that I see is this, and looks like they're socks. My feet are always cold. I'm always cold in general. This is like perfect and right on time. And this actually says Muck Lux cabin socks. It retails for $25, and it says these cozy cabin socks feature a faux Sherpa lining to keep you warm. And again, this is actually $25. Oh my goodness, these are so super cute, and gray is one of my favorite colors. Oh, I love these. I love these. I love these. You can see. Ooh, this is what it looks like, and I love that it has the little grip. So that when you're running around the house, you're not slipping and sliding and falling. Oh, it feels really good. It feels so good. And it does have the Sherpa on the inside. This is definitely going to keep me warm. And then I absolutely love the little balls on the outside. So yes, FabFitFun, we are off to a great start. I absolutely love everything so far. Something else I see. This is a Get Well Nail Recovery. And this is just what it looks like. I just want to smell it really quickly. It's like a clear polish. It's a clear polish. I just painted one of my nails. 1 minute I'm growing my nails out. The next minute I'm cutting them down. Just when I'm cooking and doing makeup and stuff, I can't stand for things to get under my nails. So most of the time I am rocking short nails. And I'm always also styling my hair, doing deep conditioning and things like that. I'm always washing dishes as well and cleaning up. Of course, with this pandemic still raging, I'm actually washing my hands more than ever as well. So I'm definitely glad that I get to add something that's going to strengthen my nails, especially when I'm constantly getting them wet. And I did go ahead and paint one nail, and it does add like a beautiful shine. So it's one of those products that you don't know that you need, but you need. So I am going to go ahead and pull this out next. Look at this. This is so freaking cute. This is so cute. Literally, I'm gonna put this on. Like, seriously, this is so freaking cute. I love it. It's so cute. And it feels good. It feels comfortable, yet sturdy, yet it doesn't hurt me behind the ears. Like, yeah, let's go ahead and take it off. I'm definitely gonna need to just put this on and pair this with a burgundy lip. First of all, burgundy is my favorite color, so how did they know? Like, no, how did they know? And it retails for almost $50. Like, the cost of the box is $50, so super excited to have this, guys. Looks like we only have a couple more items. And I see a snack. This is the Kind Thins Dark Chocolate Nuts and Sea Salt. This mirror features a bright white LED light strip at the touch of the sensor button to help you perfect your makeup. And he retails for $45. So it requires some assembly, but it does give me some batteries, which is nice. Okay. But it looks like it also has a charger. And then this is the mirror. So the mirror is nice and big. I can just go in and just pop it in there. So here it is. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. I'm so excited about this. There's one more thing I see, and it looks like this. So it looks like a robe. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Look at this robe. Oh my gosh. And it has a hood. Oh my gosh. Look at this robe. How long is it? This is so nice. I'm definitely, oh my gosh, and it feels so soft. But now, look at that. So good. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I promise I will see you very soon in my next upload. Bye guys.